Ladies and gents, welcome to BikeSocial. I'm Michael Mann, and this is the 2021 Ducati Multistrada V4S. And I'm here at BSD to check out what it does on the dyno. So the claim figures of the 1158cc V4 it's a 90-degree V4, by the way. Twin pulse firing interval firing order. First Ducati engine in 30 odd years that doesn't use desmodromic valves. It's neat and it's compact and it fits in the chassis beautifully. I've banged in about 2,000 miles so far, and I tell you what, it is something else. More about that in a different review. For now, we're going to focus on what that engine does, how it performs. The claim is 170 brake horsepower at 10,500 RPM, and torque-wise, we're looking at about 92 foot-pounds at 8,750. Incidentally, that's 2 foot-pounds more than the Street Fighter V4, although that peak torque is way up at like 11.5 or something. And this weighs about 40 kilos more. Not that I'm comparing the two. Anyway, the point is, let's go and check out what this can do on the dyno here at BSD Performance. So, a reminder before we kick into the results: 170 brake horsepower at 10,500, I think it was, and then 92 foot-pounds at 8,750. Our survey says
157 at the back wheel, remember?
Yes.
85 pounds-foot torque, which again, that back wheel is about, it's what they claim is about right for the crank reading.
Look at that. So, tell me what you see.
That's it in 6th gear, so there's no top speed limit on these.
No.
Anywhere peak power from sort of 7,000 through to 8.5, 9. You can see the bottom end of it, 2,000 revs off the brake, dyno brake. It's not really exciting or get going until it reaches 5,000 or 6,000 revs, and then it takes off. So it's down a little bit on that bottom end grunt. But it
picks up in the middle. What, 4.5?
Yeah.
4.5? 4.25?
Yeah,
That's about where it's at, isn't it?
Yeah, it really starts to get to work.
And you feel that when you're riding it too.
Yeah.
There's a lot of, and that's throughout the. I mean, what's that? 5th gear, you say?
That's in 6th gear.
6th. And there was no speed limit. I saw you in 6th, and then you tried it in 5th, didn't you?
Yeah, just to get an idea. If there's a speed limiter, it'll bring the rev cutting limiter in earlier. So that's top speed. Switch over to speed. Top speed of that standard gearing is 150 miles per hour approximately.
153.
Yeah, 152 down the bottom is your speed.
Your tour's going to be over too quickly. So they usually say, is it 10% difference? 10, 15%?
10 to 15%, yeah, depending on the engine configuration. That is about spot on for what they claim.